Hello, good morning and welcome to today's morning report chart appraisals on Monday the 24th of November with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. The European trading session has actually started again fairly positively, although the main driver behind that has been this large outperformance of the German IFO business sentiment that beat expectations and has moved certainly the DAX and the CAC strongly higher. FTSE though is lagging somewhat because the market actually started off before that early on. It was fairly cautious, but certainly this German IFO number has meant the Eurozone equities have pushed nicely higher. The Euro also has been positive on the back of that, but that movement on the euro has slightly constrained the dollar index, which sort of looked to be breaking out on Friday, although the dollar is still stronger pretty much against almost all the Forex majors today. The main move being the dollar yen price moving back higher again, but the euro is slightly more positive than most of the other Forex majors. There's not a huge amount of economic data that's driving this market into today. Now this German IFO's out the way, we've got the market flash PMI for the states, and that's at this afternoon at 2:45. That could have an impact on events, but other than that, we're pretty much just around for the Bank of Japan meeting minutes at 11:50 this evening UK time. So a long way after the European close, but. As I said, today's sort of more of a bit light on the economic data, sort of waiting for a bit more of the data that's going to come through tomorrow, and also building up towards the end of the week with this OPEC meeting, which could be crucial, and also this Swiss gold referendum, which again could have a big impact certainly on precious metals, commodities. So that sort of takes me on to my chart of the day, which is the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD has been in this sort of corrective, this is on the hourly chart, this corrective phase at the moment. Sort of this sequence of lower highs throughout the last 3 weeks, and that's taken it back down towards not far off the bottom of this uptrend in this chart. But also look at this 21-day moving average, which has been the basis of support for the last couple of months really. But the reason I've sort of zoomed out quite a long way here is that we're back towards this 112 breakout. And that pretty much got used as the basis of support on Friday, and we've sort of found that as support since then. So back in here, we've still got this sequence of higher lows in place if this 112 support comes in. But look at these momentum indicators. We're right on the limit now of where these momentum indicators are going to start to turn more corrective. This RSI is pretty much bang on 45. 46 was that low that we got in September. The MACD lines as well coming back towards this neutral point. The stochastics as well, where all the big corrections have come back towards and finding support. So you would say that these momentum indicators are at a real crossroads in terms of whether they're going to be maintaining this buy into dip strategy or if it's going to turn more corrective. So this 112 support on dollar CAD seems to be very important. As I said, it was an old breakout. It's also the support of that 21-day moving average, and you've also got this big uptrend that's not a million miles away either. So it seems to be that dollar CAD has had this big correction over the past 3 weeks, but could now be coming into a bit of a phase at which we could be buying again. But as I said, a bit of a crossroads. So maybe we're looking for support. Maybe we're looking out for a buy signal. On this dollar CAD chart, and certainly a move back above 12.55 on the intraday hourly chart would be a suggestion, because that is now a resistance that we need to be careful of. But as I said, on that daily chart, the interesting correction that we've had on this over the past few weeks, we're now looking for, if there is a buy signal, it could be the one that reaffirms this sequence of strong momentum, also the moving average, and also just holding on to that uptrend as well. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar CAD today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.